Hi, Stallions. This is the comprehension check for the story Bully. So by now you should have already listened to the book and have a pencil ready to go. Please put your name right here on the line. All right, let's get started. Number 1, circle 2 characters from the story. So look carefully at the 3 choices and you're going to circle 2 of them that are the characters from the story Bully. Number 2, where did the story take place? The cafeteria, the playground, or Loopy's house? Please circle your answer. Number 3, what was the first mean thing Billy ever did to Loopy? Pushed him down, blamed him, or popped his ball? What was the first mean thing Billy ever did to Loopy? Number 4, how did Loopy get Captain Canine down from the top of the playground? Theo helped him, Billy helped him, or Billy's brother helped him? So down here on number 5, the question asked, what was the lesson of the story? So please use your pencil and write down your answer. What was the lesson that we learned from the book Bully?